Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can import files from Google Drive on a Microsoft OneDrive in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your OneDrive account, for example via the web version of OneDrive. Make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account. And if you don't know how to find OneDrive, guys, here in the Microsoft 365 application directory, simply navigate to these 9 dots inside the Microsoft app you're currently in, the app launcher, and select OneDrive from there, and you will be redirected to there. So from here, guys, what you will need to do is navigate to your account settings. To do that, click into that gear icon in the top right and select settings. That is going to redirect you to this OneDrive account settings or options here. So from there, navigate to import cloud photos and files. And here select connect to Google Drive. Make sure that you're logged in with your Google/Gmail account with the associated one. Click into this button. After that, you will see the Google Drive connection here. We're trying to establish the connection. Make sure that you select the correct Google Drive account here. Scroll down, give the permission if you want here for Microsoft 365 to import your files from Google Drive. Click into continue, wait for the connection to be established. That should take a moment. And there you go. And after that, you will see the storage preview around 725 MB. In my case here, files and folders will be imported from Google Drive to my OneDrive account. So confirm by clicking into this button, and you will see the importing initiated here below in progress, and simply wait for the process to be finished, and you will see the import history here, so that you can access, for example, your imported files from your cloud files from Google Drive via My Files and then import. So let us check this. Navigate to the Files tab here, navigate then to My Files, and you will see the imported files from there. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.